What's up, guys? How's it going? Alan here with Utah Window Experts again. We're just at a home that we installed windows and doors at. It's like almost a year ago, and the house is finally up for sale. They're getting everything dialed and perfect after construction. Just wanted to show you guys some of the windows and a couple of the doors that we installed. Come on in. All the windows we used in here are a Milgard Ultra fiberglass. So the windows, and we have a French door over here we can show you. One of the primary features we wanted to show, which the owner was saying the new buyers just loved, is this great room in here. We have two large Eurowall doors. I mean, this one is 20 feet wide, 10 feet tall. We can even go bigger than this, but these were massive. And we have one on the right side here that was 10 feet wide or 12 feet wide, 10 feet tall. Let's go check them out real quick. It's a Eurowall brand, multi-slide stacking door. We can also get bifolds and other sorts of, pocketing doors, things like that. This is the most popular version of it, which is the stacking door. This one's a 5-panel. We have a 3-panel over here on the other side. And what we love about these is just how well they operate, how well they slide. People have really, really liked these. So we've got a multi-point locking system right here. There's about 5 points. In fact, these are built in Florida, so they're intentionally built really, really sturdy. Super thick, heavy-duty laminated glass, including 5 multi-point locks. So they're built to withstand, hurricane force, weather and wind. So we're here in Utah. We don't necessarily need that, but we got it. So just looking at the multi-points, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 points on that whole door that locks and closes that thing shut and tight. So super, super secure. With these 5 panels, we have about 12 to 1,500 pounds of weight. So when you slide these, you can feel the weight, but I mean, they slide. If we had an 8-year-old child here, they could do this. I'm probably putting about 50 pounds of force, maybe 60 pounds. Each time another panel, catches onto the train, that's probably maximum 75 pounds of force you've got to push this to open it completely. So super smooth, super huge tandem rollers, two on each side, super heavy duty. And it's like now when I'm pulling it back, I mean, with a single door, I mean, we're talking like 15, 20 pounds of force, maybe. So my 5-year-old, I don't have a 5-year-old. If I did, they could open this for sure. And again, just super smooth. One feature I'd like to show you on these Eurowalls too. So you got it shut. You get the multi-point lock engaged, and then lock the deadbolt. And that's it. Different colors of hardware options, things like that. One thing I love about these, if you can get a view on the sight line right here, if you can go straight on, you can see how narrow that sight line is. I mean, we've got like about an inch of sight line, and we get the structure and the depth of that piece of aluminum. But that sight line with the view, you can see outside, if you can imagine this, like a beach house or something. But even here, obviously in Utah, you see the mountains, you have your pool, you have your backyard. It's a beautiful setup. So anyway, that's our Eurowall and our Milgard fiberglass windows. In fact, let's go look at the door real quick, the French door. Okay, other part of the house, we're in the kitchen now. Again, beautiful build here. Our builder was just spared no expense. This is a Milgard Ultra fiberglass door, French door. Super high quality fiberglass. The Eurowalls we just talked about are aluminum, and that's how you get that big door structure. Fiberglass is also super durable. The nice thing about fiberglass is the expansion contraction ratio on the actual fiberglass material itself is the same as glass. And so it's a super long lasting product that's not going to warp, it's not going to crack, it's not going to do these things that sometimes vinyl does. Anyway, French door here. It's got a multi-point lock. You can see this, again, super secure. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got a 5-point lock on this. So extremely secure as far as robbery goes and wind and rain and weather, stuff like that. And once we match to the other door, it mates together and just locks together and seals. Again, just kind of a standard French door. You can open both. With the multi-point hardware, it makes it super easy to open it. I know some French doors you see out there, you have to get on your knees and pull the bolt up from the top and bottom. These you don't have to do that. It's all integrated. Shut it, multi-point lock on the left, and then on your most active door, lock that together, and it's just solid as heck. So anyway, that's our Milgard Ultra fiberglass. This is the black bean color. Bunch of colors you can get for that.